The one not
Oh. So I figured out that I just start recording because it exceeds my expectations, especially the sambal here at the Zaidi restaurant. Wow. And how about the curry?
Okay.
Chicken curry.
Just on the roti and the juice that it's in alone, it's delicious. And I don't like sambal, but that's not the worst sambal I've ever had.
That's good. It's good.
No, that's different.
Yeah.
What you're saying is different, so it's not the worst I've ever had.
How about the roti?
The roti's great.
Even the dal is good.
Oh, the curry's really good.
Right? It's dal. It's dal.
Chickpea.
No. Ah.
Yeah, forgetful.
I get it for you.
Over books and Leo Chaplin stroll the aisles at noon, grabbing all the munchies, neon lights like the moon, slurping on nostalgia, flaming hot.
But I'm not an expert. I just know what I like, so let's ask the expert.
5 out of 5.
Wow!
Really?
5 out of 5.
I had at other places.
Yeah.
5. So, as you say, the social media sometimes viralize things, but they are not as good. But this one is excellent, man.
Yeah.
The coffee should be better.
Yeah, the coffee isn't good. The coffee is a mid coffee.
Yeah.
Silver Fox and Leo Chaplin grab the cams, shooting life in high def across the lands, filming burgers and nachos while they laugh, vlogging memories, life's their autograph.